welcome to my submission for Nucamp's Full Stack Honors Certificate. Sometimes when you're learning, it's better to scale back and start small and do something really well versus trying to do a whole bunch and doing a sloppy job. So for this project, I chose to do just the simplest of sign up and login pages and really dig into things that maybe I didn't spend enough time on during the course itself. So in this case, that would be Firebase and Firestore, authentication, and Redux. Those were my weak points. So to get started, I used Vite instead of Create React App because it's a little more updated, a little less deprecated than Create React App is. And then all I had to do was set up just some simple pages, just some simple sign up, login, and then a page for them to go to, which I shouldn't have named secret, I found out, because GitHub will detect that it says secret and immediately assume that I don't want people to see it, which in this case I do. So that was kind of funny. So next, what I needed to do is I needed to have all these states somewhere where all the pages can reach them. So then I had to use Redux to make the store, so that way they could reach them there. And I started with just a store, but I didn't set it up right and I needed to use a slice. So now we have a slice here to get the user information ready to go. And after that, all we had to do was connect everything to Firebase, and this was a little tricky because it's been a while since I've used it, and I had trouble finding where all this information was. Turns out I just had to register the app, so I left myself a little note for next time. So this is now on GitHub, and in the README here you can see that it's live. So if we go here, we can see the live app, and I'm already registered because I tested it out, so I can just go to the login route and go ahead and log in. Never. And there you have it. It's simple, it's ugly, but it's as well made as I could make it, and I'm really proud, and hopefully I can use this as the basis for future authentication for larger apps. Thank you for listening to me about my app, and good night, everyone.